Have you ever wondered how our bodies, more specifically, our brains might change throughout our menstrual cycle? This is not just a thought-provoking question, it's the basis of a recent groundbreaking study conducted by researchers at the University of California, Santa Barbara. Their findings, for the first time, suggest that our brains aren't static structures, but dynamic entities that can undergo changes in response to hormonal fluctuations during the menstrual cycle. It's a revelation that could completely alter our understanding of the human brain. Think about it. Our brains, the very command centers of our bodies, are not immune to the effects of hormonal shifts. The study shows that it's not just about brain communication during cognitive tasks, but the actual structures of the brain themselves that change. We're talking about changes in gray and white matter volumes, even the volume of cerebrospinal fluid. These aren't just small-scale changes, these are brain-wide transformations that occur in sync with our menstrual cycles. And this is just the beginning. With this research, we're paving the way toward a better understanding of period-related mental health problems and the complex relationship between hormones and brain functioning. Intrigued yet? Let's dive into the details of this fascinating study. So, what exactly did this study entail and what were the findings, you might be wondering? Well, let's dive right into it. The researchers at the University of California, Santa Barbara embarked on a fascinating journey of discovery, tracking the brain structures of 30 menstruating women over their menstrual cycles. What they found was nothing short of extraordinary. As hormone levels ebbed and flowed, so too did the very structure of the brain. Now, it's important to note that these changes weren't confined to areas traditionally associated with the menstrual cycle. No, these structural shifts were occurring brain-wide, demonstrating a far more extensive influence of hormones on our brain than previously thought. One of the key findings was the changes observed in the white matter microstructure. You see, this white matter acts as a sort of information highway, transferring data between the gray matter regions responsible for processing information. It was found that this critical structure wasn't immune to the hormonal shifts, altering as the levels changed. But the revelations didn't stop there. The researchers also used MRI scans to examine changes in gray and white matter volumes, as well as the volume of cerebrospinal fluid, the liquid that cushions our brain within the skull. Remarkably, they found that these volumes fluctuated in tandem with the hormonal changes. And if you're wondering whether all hormones have the same effect, the answer is no. The study identified that specific hormones were associated with certain changes in brain structures. So, the hormonal orchestra playing out during menstruation each has its unique notes and impacts on our brain. These findings are not only groundbreaking, but also pave the way for future research. Imagine the possibilities. A better understanding of period-related mental health problems, personalized treatment strategies, and so much more. The future of neuroscience and women's health just got a whole lot brighter. What might these findings mean for our understanding of the brain and menstrual cycle? This groundbreaking study has opened a new door to a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between hormones and brain functioning. The observed structural changes in the brain during menstrual cycles, particularly in the white matter microstructure and volumes of gray matter and cerebrospinal fluid, are a testament to the profound influence of hormonal shifts on our bodies. These revelations lay the groundwork for future research, potentially leading to a better understanding of period-related mental health problems. Imagine the possibilities if we could unravel the mysteries of how hormones and the brain interact. Could we develop better treatments or even preventative measures for conditions like premenstrual dysphoric disorder or menstrual migraines? The answers to these questions lie in continued research in this fascinating field. The implications of this study are vast and exciting, reminding us of the importance of scientific exploration in understanding our own bodies. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of the human brain, we may find more surprising connections between our bodies and our minds. Until then, let's celebrate the amazing complexity of being human. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.